Hello, this is the Anko Pneumatic stepper from KMart. So back of the box. The front of the box. Handle. Some tools. Looks like something, a bit of oil, and a big screw nut. And the stepper. That's the contents of the box. Assembly is just attaching this knob handle. So once you have it into a certain point, turning it clockwise increases the tension, and then turning it anti-clockwise loosens it and makes it easier to move the stepper. And you attach the two handles. The lubricant is to apply to the rotating components after use. So you just apply this as necessary, or if you hear squeaks. And the wrench is to tighten nuts. So the instruction manual says that after use, components may come loose and you should check and tighten all nuts and bolts. It has a little computer which counts your steps. Overall, I have to say I wouldn't actually recommend buying this. So as a stepper, it's okay, but I'm not that pleased with the build quality. So yes, it is a bargain, but for example, my floor is flat. If you just place the stepper on the floor, it is not actually level. So when I'm using it in anger, you'll hear that movement and that wobble on the floor.